G'day, my name is Vineet and I run learnabpframework.com to teach people how to use the architecture, the infrastructure, and the fundamentals of ABP. And I've just recorded a quick win that shows you how to use the feature provider in ABP Framework. And what I've done is I've used that feature provider to limit the number of users that can be used by a tenant. So let's log in and have a look at what I've actually built. So I'm just going to make sure that we are not we are logging in as host, and we'll put in the password, which is the default password. You'll find it in the docs of ABP. So you can go to docs.abp.io, and in the administration I've got tenant management and tenants, and you can see over here that I have actually added a amazing software feature, and this amazing software feature is defining a max user count which defaults to 10. And I've created a tenant, and I've actually made that feature to 2, right? So let's save that. Let's log out. And if you want to actually send the tenant to your user that has asked you for a tenant, then you can actually send them this link, which is __tenant equals learn ABP framework, and you'll see that using the query string parameter of __tenant and defining the name of the tenant, it will automatically populate learn ABP framework. That's a little neat trick. What you can now do is log in as that admin for that tenant. And let's try and add a user. So I've already got 2 users, and let's try and create a user. So we'll say Bilani, we'll say Vineet, we'll say Bilani, we'll define a password, and we'll say webilani@amazingsolutions.com.au, which is my company email address. You're welcome to ask me for some consultancy advice. If you need help with ABP, just reach out. Let's say save, and you'll see that the error comes up because it's actually checking that feature. We only allowed 2 users, so it actually throws up a user-friendly exception of ABP. And it says you cannot create more than 2 users. So if you want to learn how to build this, then visit learnabpframework.com and sign up to the premium membership, and you'll be able to access this quick win in your quick wins section. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this intro to how I built the max user of a tenant using the feature provider.